In this video, we are going to learn prime factorization. Prime factorization is the basic of the least common multiple, greatest common factor, and many topics. That's why it's important. That's why I separate this video from the lessons video. Actually, we are going to have two videos for this lesson. Here, prime factorization, dividing the number, factorize the number with primes. With primes, when I say here, the prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, and so on. These are the prime numbers. And prime factorization means dividing the numbers with prime until to get 1. How much it is possible. Now, for the 180, find the prime factorization of 180. We can easily say like this: 180 is equal to, when we divide by 2, because this is the smallest prime number, and I'm always starting from the smallest prime number. I know that 180 is divisible by 3, but always we are starting with the smallest prime number. 180 divided by 2, the result is written here. Always the result is written down. And when I see 90, 90 is also divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to continue with 2. Then the result is 45. And 45 is not divisible by 2. I'm continuing with the second prime number, which is 3. When I write 3 here, when you divide by 3, actually 45 is divisible by 3. I know that one because I add from mind. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That's why 45 is divisible by 3. The result is 15. It's going to be. And 15 is also divisible by 3. And the result is going to be equal to 5 when you divide 15 by 3. Now 5 is not divisible by 3. I divide firstly by 2, then by 3, now by 5. And when you divide by 5, the result is going to be equal to 1. And when you get 1, the operation finished. And when I say 180, it's equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. If you want to check this one by using your calculator, you can find that the result is equal to 180. In another way to write this one, 180 is equal to 2 square times 3 square times 5 it's going to be, and this operation is called prime factorization. Now let's do another example. 48 is the first number. The others, they are going to be class work for us, or 72. Let me do the 72, 48 and 168. It's going to be class work for us. Okay, 72, our number that we are going to prime factorize, which is B also. Now this number is, again I'm writing the prime numbers for reminding. These are the prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and it continues till infinity. And 72 divided by 2, yes, it can be divisible by 2. I can divide by 2 and the result is equal to 36. Again, you may divide by 2, then the result it will be 18. And again, you may divide by 2, the result will be equal to 9. When you divide 9 by 2, actually it is not possible. That's why we are going to start to second prime number, which is 3. 9 divides 3 and 3 divides 9, and the result is equal to 3 is going to be, and 3 is dividing 3, that's why the result is going to be 1. When you divide 3 by 3, the result is going to be 1. When you get 1, the question solution finished. So 72 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 72 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2. It's going to be the prime factors of the 72, 2 and 3 we can also say.